Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a lunchbox surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper and fold it in half. And when I do this, I'm going to be making kind of like a birthday card shape. So when you open it up, it's like a card. Next, I'm going to fold it in half one more time. And when I do this, now it's kind of like a big bookmark shape. And when I open it up, I have these nice little lines in here that kind of help me guide and I can hide parts of my drawing. Now to start off with our lunchbox surprise fold, let's begin by making the top of our lunchbox. I'm going to begin right here, and we're going to go up, we're going to come over, and then we're going to go down. Then right here, we're going to go down, we're going to come over, and then we're going to go up. Now, right here at the top, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. We're going to come over and then down for the handle. Then we're going to make another one that goes up, over, and down. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over. And then we're going to go up. Then right here we're going to go up. We're going to bring it over. And then we're going to come down here. Now starting here, I'm going to add a circle so we can put a little face on our lunchbox. And then I'll do another one right over here. I'm going to put a little black dot inside each one for the pupils. Then we'll make a line across with a nice big smile. Then we'll add a little curved line for the tongue, and then we can color in the top part right here. Now our next step is to open up our lunchbox. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here and we're going to draw this line up. We're going to come over and then we're going to bring this down. And then we'll bring this line up and we'll bring this line up. And then up here we're going to go down. We'll bring this over and then we'll come up. We'll bring these two lines down. Now, inside of here, you can put whatever you want. You can put your favorite stuff that you have for lunch. You can do whatever you want to. So let's just add a couple different things. So first, I'm going to put an apple in here. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then we're going to curve it down. Then we're going to bring this line, we're going to curve it, and bring it down here. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to go up, over, and down for the stem. And then we'll make a line that's going to curve up and then down for the leaf with a little line here. Now over here I want to make a little cookie. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy little line that's going to come right to here. And we're going to bring this all the way down. Then I'm going to add some little black dots all over here just to make it look like there are some chocolate chips on here. We can even put some on the side out here too. Now, right inside of here, I want to make a sandwich. So what I'm going to do is let's draw a line that goes up. We're going to curve it like this. And then we're going to bring this line down. Then we'll draw a little curve and a line down for the bread. Then right up here, I'm going to make kind of like a wavy, bumpy line here. I'm going to make a wavy line here. And then I'm going to make another wavy line here. We're going to make this kind of like some peanut butter and jelly. So one side will be peanut butter and one side will be jelly. And then right here, let's make a little curved line. And then we're going to go down here. Now over here, let's make a little juice box. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. We're going to come down, and then we're going to go back in. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to go over. Then we're going to go down. We'll come back, and then right to here. Then we'll make a little line across here. And then the last thing, let's go ahead and let's make a little bag of chips over here. So I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up, and then we're going to bring this over. I'll make another little line up, and then we'll make some little zigzag lines across. And then I'm going to make some kind of like triangle, like tortilla chip shapes. So we're going to make these little triangle shapes coming out of here. We'll make one kind of jumping up over here. Then we'll put one more up here. Now, you can always leave it like this, or you can kind of come in here and add some fun faces. So you can do lots of things. You can kind of play around with like different eyes and shapes and everything, and you can give them some like fun little happy faces on here. It's totally up to you. You can do lots of fun different things. You can make them winking. You can do whatever you want to. There's lots of different ways that you can kind of have fun with all of your foods on here. You can do so many different things. You can even add little faces to like the chips up here. And you can do all sorts of different things. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.